Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarship Times, your own education channel. Hope you are doing good today. In today's video, we will talk about the Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarships for 2022 fully funded. Before telling you all the detail, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon for more future updates on latest scholarships. Applicants are invited to apply for the Commonwealth Queen Elizabeth Scholarship 2022. International students from Commonwealth members can apply for these scholarships. The Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarships 2022 is a unique opportunity to study for a 2-year master degree in a low or middle income country of the Commonwealth. This is a precious award for talented students. This is a fully funded scholarship to pursue postgraduate degree. Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarships offer students from Commonwealth countries who are committed to creating change in their community an opportunity to pursue their master degree on a full expense scholarships in a different country to widen their horizon and build a global network. Aimed at students who are committed to creating change in their communities, the scholarship are a life-changing opportunity to experience a new country and culture to broaden horizon and to build a global network that will last a lifetime. Through culture exchange and academic collaboration, Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship help bring about positive change and find solutions to the shared challenges we face, both in their home countries and those that host them. As an active part of Commonwealth Network, scholarship will help shape its future. Commonwealth Queen Elizabeth Scholarship details offered by ACU degree level master degree scholarship coverage fully funded eligible nationality international last date 10th of January 2022. So what are the financial benefits? Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship is fully free scholarship to study in a master degree with participating universities. The detail of the Commonwealth Scholarship is given below. Fully funded tuition fees, living expenses allowance for a duration of award, return economy flight to their host country, and arrival allowance, research support grant on request only subject to approval. So here are the list of countries and universities. 12 countries and their universities are participating in Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship 2022. Detail is given below. Number 1, Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, University of Dhaka in this list. So you can read the detail by your own self. I prepare a complete detail of all the countries and their universities and what programs they are offered, so you can read by your own self. So in Bangladesh, University of Dhaka, you can contact even on the given email if you have any query. Second country is Swatini. In Swatini, University of Swatini and the offered programs you can contact on this email. The third country is Ghana. In Ghana, number 1 university it is, number 2 University of West Indies, and the available programs Muna Campus, Jamaica. These are all the universities in Ghana. Number 4, Kenya, the Technical University of Kenya and the program offer, and you can contact on this email. Number 2, University of Nairobi, contact on this email. Number 3, Malaysia. In Malaysia, number 1, University of Malaysia and University Putra Malaysia, and the offered program and the entry requirement also mentioned here, so you can read it by yourself. Number 4, Mauritius, one of the most beautiful country, University of Mauritius. Available courses you can read by yourself, contact if you have any query. And then Pakistan. In Pakistan, Comstock University Islamabad, available courses mentioned here. And then Rwanda, University of Rwanda and the available courses. These are the available courses for University of Rwanda. Then Tanzania, the State University of Zanzibar, available courses. Then Uganda, Makerere University, available courses. And then next come eligibility criteria. So the number of countries available above and the number of courses you can read it by yourself. That's why I also give official email. If you have any query, you can email directly to them. So what are the eligibility criteria? To apply for the scholarship, you must be a citizen of or hold refugee status in a Commonwealth country. You must hold a bachelor degree at the time of admission. There is no upper age limit. Universities may have their own specific eligibility requirement for admission. Application deadline. The last date to apply for the Queen Elizabeth Convert Scholarship 2022 is 10th of January. How to apply for Queen Elizabeth Convert Scholarship? There is an online application system to apply for Queen Elizabeth Convert Scholarship. Link to online application is given below. The application form consists of following section: eligibility criteria, personal detail, academic and employment record, course at host university detail, statement writing guideline, upload supporting documents. So here are some frequently asked questions. Can I apply for a Queen Elizabeth Convent Scholarship in the final year of my undergraduate degree? No. You must have already completed your degree and have graduated with an equivalent of a 2:1 at the time of application. As a part of the application process, you will be asked to provide a copy of your final transcript and degree. What is the English language requirement? The requirement for English language testing depend on the university that you are intending to study at. Therefore, you will need to look at your chosen university admission website to determine whether English language results are required for your admission. Some universities will require for applicants to meet English language requirements. Can I still apply if I do not have a valid passport? Yes, you can submit your application without a valid passport. Instead, you can provide your national ID or current invalid passport within the application form. So I prepared this whole MS Word file just for your easiness for the aspirants of Commonwealth Queen's Elizabeth scholarships, and you can find the link of this MS Word file in description section, and you can read it again and again. And the universities which are mentioned here, some universities require IELTS tests, especially for Malaysia, and some countries don't require IELTS test. So the official link and the apply link is also given in description section. When you click on official link and apply link, so when you click on official link, you come here. You can also see the details of each and everything. So this is the official link of Commonwealth scholarship program. This link is also mentioned in description section. You can find all the countries and the universities and their available courses and the importance instruction how to apply. You can find each and everything here. And if you apply on apply link, you come on this page, and from this page you can start your registration. So if you like to this video, kindly give the thumb up and like my video. See you soon next time.